welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a very nice math problem here. 3 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 2x is equals to 3 to the power of x. So we're looking for the value of x here, and note that x is a real number. Okay, so we're going to start, but don't forget to subscribe. This free. Okay, we have here 3 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 2x is equals to 3 to the power of x. So the first thing we're going to do there is that we're going to send this 3 to the power of x this other way, and we have here 3 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 to the power of x, which will be equals to 0. Okay, here we know that this 3x is equals to 2x plus x, that's 3x. So we can rewrite this expression this other way. So 3 to the power 2x plus x minus 3 to the power x plus x, since x plus x is equals to 2x minus 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 0. Okay, so knowing that a to the power n times a to the power m is equals to a to the power n plus m, we can rewrite this equation like this. So 3 to the power 2x plus x is still equals to 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power of x, since x plus 2x is equals to this, and is also equals to 3x. So at this level we have 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x times 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equals to 0. Since everywhere in this equation we have 3 to the power x, we're going to factor this equation also by 3 to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of x into, if I remove this, I remain here with 3 to the power 2x. If I remove this, I remain here with 3 to the power of x, and if I remove this, I remain here with 1. So at this level we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by this expression is equals to 0. So we have the product of two expressions is equals to 0. This means that one of the two must be equals to 0. So 3 to the power x can be equals to 0, or 3 to the power 2x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, considering this first equation, we're going to put the log of 3 to the power x will be equals to the log of 0. Since the log of 0 is undefined, we cannot consider this first equation. So we're going to look for the value of x in the second equation. Okay, so we copy our equation here. So 3 to the power 2x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so we know that a to the power n, all this to the power m, is equals to a to the power m, all this to the power n is equals to a to the power m n, and it is also equals to a to the power n m. So we can rewrite this equation like this, since 3 to the power 2x is also equals to 3 to the power x, all this squared. We can take this. Okay, at this level we notice that we have this 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x. So we can let our y to be equals to 3 to the power of x, and when we replace y by 3 to the power of x in this equation, we have this equation here, that's y squared minus y minus 1. All this will be equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. I will know that our a here is 1, since this y squared is still 1y squared. Our b is negative 1, and c negative 1. So applying the quadratic formula, we have to look for this value, b squared minus 4ac. We have b is negative 1, so negative 1 squared, that's 1, minus 4 times a is 1, c negative 1, that's negative 4 times negative 1, that's positive 4, and 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So that's why you have this 5 here. And now applying the quadratic formula, we know that y1 will be equals to negative b minus the square root of this expression, or this divided by 2a, and y2 negative b plus the square root of this expression divided by 2a. So replacing b by its value, we have 1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2 and 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, remember here that y was equals to 3 to the power x, and since 3 is positive, 3 to the power x must be positive. Then this value of y1, 1 minus the square root of 5 on 2 is negative, so we cannot consider this value, and that's why you have this thing here. So we're going to work only with this value of y. Okay, so y is equals to 3 to the power x, which is equals to this value, that's 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, since we're looking for the value of x, we have to apply our log. That is, the log of 3 to the power x will be equals to the log of this expression. And we know that the log of a to the power n is equals to n times the log of a. So that's why you have x times the log of 3, and the log of a on b is equals to the log of a minus the log of b. So that's why we have this here, log of 1 plus the square root of 5, this a, minus log of 2 is b. Okay, since we're looking for the value of x here, we're going to divide both sides by the log of 3. Okay, dividing, we have x will be equals to the log of 1 plus the square root of 5 minus the log of 2, all this divided by the log of 3. So don't forget to subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.